the best place to spend your birthday. Because the food is so bomb. Just dip it in the pan and every time I come here, the sauce get better and better. Oh my god. Bubby likes to eat broccoli, so I just gave him one. He's debating. It's hot. It's hot. I need my clip. And then my show come on at 7. I can sit on my couch and eat some more. But I'm gonna just sit here until my stomach busts, y'all. Literally. It's just the best. Nice it. You got your broccoli? You want gloves on? You want gloves? Mind you, it's not spicy, so he could enjoy it. We always get butter garlic. And I fill him some and leave some in front of him, so he could pick and choose what he wanted to eat.